Hi everyone. I'm Giddokiddo12, and today I have something to tell you. Last time, I had my own character inspiration, what I just sound like from all the video games and all cartoons and the shows I watched did and sound like. So, we're gonna start sounding from all the characters. So let's get ready. So, first up, we're gonna start off with Luigi from Super Mario. Let's try it out. I can't! I'm allergic to mountains!
Okay, wait here. And if you become lunch for a polar bear, don't blame us.
Polar bear! Lunch! Alright, and now for the third one. In episode 3. But me! I can't! I'm gonna have a baby! Yup. Mario! Don't try to kid me! How could a genie be on that lamp?
See for yourself. All I gotta do is rub it.
Alright, now the next one is, Thomas from Thomas and Friends. Wow, really do appreciate practicing number scoring. That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are. What does that sign say?
Solar Railway. Being reliable and right on time. Sign. End of the railway. Sir Topham Hatt.
But you weren't on time, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. Now please excuse me. I'm meeting Miss Conductor. He's going to look after us while Sir Topham Hatt is having a splendid holiday.
Oh, I think we can take care of ourselves. Get out of my way! I have unfinished business here, and I want to finish it fast!
Yep, that sounds like Thomas. Alright, next one is Rigby from the regular show. Let's try it out. You're wrong! You said we're gonna bring you back the cart. And then we'll be all like, whoa! And we'll be like, in your face!
And then I'll be all like, get back to work!
Yep. He really thought Doug was me. Like, he will never... Wait, hold on, try it. Thought he will never shut up. He really thought Doug was me. And now, he really thought it was me. Am I right? Right?
I'm the only one around here who hires and fires, so if you really don't want to do your own job, I'd be glad to accommodate you. Otherwise, you're on toilet duty for the next 3 months! Unbelievable!
And then, wait, hold on. Let's try the next one. Because we know everything about scary movies, and who know nothing about scary movies. We'll say it apart with our knowledge of scary movies.
Stop singing or you're fired!
Knowledge of scary movies. Yup, that would sound like it. And then, don't worry, I'll take care of this. This is my specialty. This isn't your sandwich. This is our sandwich.
This is your sandwich, huh? Then how come it says Benson on the bag?
Huh? It's supposed to say Rigby, but they misspelled my name wrong.
Stop lying!
Dude, I thought you said you bought this.
No, he didn't buy it! Now get off your lazy butts and go get me another grilled cheese deluxe!
Alright, Next one. Next up is Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's try it. Hold it, guys. You don't want to do this.
Oh, don't we?
We make too much for each other.
We do?
Yeah, don't you remember how we first met?
Nope.
Well, it all started before you were born. Tails and I come to a deserted village. Yup. Alright, next up is Bubble from Battle for Dream Island. Or BFDI. That's what it's called. Anyways. Oh, it's my Bible! You brought me back to life!
No way! Is that Bubble? Yay!
Yo, come awake! Yeah, that sounded like it. Alright, next up, but before I say it, this is gonna be embarrassing, since I'm gonna say it. So, y'all guys ready for this? Okay, hold on. At 3 seconds, if I reach 0, I'm gonna say it. This is gonna be embarrassing for that one show. 3, 2, 1. Sunset from MLP. So, let's try it out. Well, I used to get angry just like I was like her. So, let's try it out. I can't do this. Now let's try it out. No, let's try it on the next video. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways. Welcome to Shimmer Code, my game channel. I decided to take on some cheap gaming to introduce my friend Fluttershy to gaming.
Yay, games.
Okay. Alright. Anyways, next up is Patrick Star from SpongeBob. Okay.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick. I'm not a Krusty Krab.
Patrick, that's the name of the restaurant.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish is not an instrument either.
Alright. Next up is Cutman from Mega Man. The Ruby Spears and Captain N and Fully Charged. Let's try it. Cutman's the name, cutting's my game, and I don't mean hair. Let's see how you do against Kung Fu Cutman! Yeah! Fix it? This cannot be happening! I have dedicated my entire life to attaining total perfection, and I made an entire mess! If I can't achieve perfection like it exists in this world, time to make a perfect mess of Silicon City! Yep.
Fix it? This cannot be happening! I have dedicated my entire life to attaining total perfection, and I made a total mess! If I can't achieve perfection, why should any exist in this world? Time to make a perfect mess of Silicon City!
And that's all. But before I end the video, the next voice impression that I saw on which character? Honorable mention. Yep, I'll try the honorable mention. The honorable mention I sound like is CaseOh, with my favorite streamer. Why did bros build like a 1x1 Lego piece? Why if it is a 1x1 Lego piece? Yup, you're banned. Have a good night.
What do you mean bros built like a 1x1 Lego piece? What even is a 1x1 Lego piece? Yep, you're banned. Have a good night.
Alright, that's all I have to say, guys. If you enjoyed this video, guys, comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share. Tell me in the comments what is your favorite character, what I sounded like. And tell me what character that you just sounded like on which video games or cartoons or TV shows. If you do, let me know. So, comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share. And Giddokiddo12's Adventures pilot episodes are coming soon. So, mark your calendars and don't miss it. If you like this video, Giddokiddo12 is out. So, bye everyone, and have a great day.